Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine with good health and very happiness. Beautiful ladies and girls, today I'll share with you if you tired of spending half your morning style your hair. You don't need an hour and 5 products to look put together. Today we are sharing 3 ultra easy short haircuts that looks amazing with almost zero effort. So let's get into it. First of all, the air dried lob sitting right above your shoulder. This cut relies on your hair natural texture. Just apply a quick drop of hair oil after washing. Let it air dry and you get a modern, effortless look without touching a flat iron. Next, the messy texture crop. Choppy layers take away weight and create built-in volume. All you need is a quick 10-second scrunch with some sea salt spray or texturizing moss, and your hair is styled for the entire day. If you want the ultimate time saver, go for a short pixie with tapered sides. It literally takes 2 minutes. Wash, run your fingers through it with a teeny bit of pomade, and you are out the door feeling fresh and confident. So beautiful ladies and girls, which of these zero fuss cuts would you try? Tell me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick hair ideas. So beautiful ladies and girls, I'll see you in the next one with new trendy ideas of short haircut, hairstyle, hair dye for girls, for women, for mature women. Take care and bye bye.